The Oregon Heritage Commission is pleased to present a 2024 Oregon Heritage Excellence Award to the Liberty Theater for its multi-year renovation project. The Liberty Theater, home of the Little Theater on the Bay in North Bend, underwent an extensive renovation effort aimed to preserve the theater's 1924 architecture while modernizing its amenities and accessibility. The project, undertaken in multiple phases, sought to enhance the theater's infrastructure, improve patron comfort, and expand its offerings to serve a wider community. With a fundraising goal of over $3.5 million, the project involved restoring the original facade, upgrading seating and facilities, enhancing production capabilities, and ensuring ADA compliance. Through the collaboration of various stakeholders, including the Little Theater on the Bay, project architects, contractors, State Historic Preservation Office, the city, volunteers, donors, and patrons, the restoration project successfully came to fruition over a decade. Benefits to the community included providing an accessible entertainment venue, stimulating economic growth, and preserving local heritage. The project respected the theater's history by faithfully restoring its original features while adapting it for contemporary use. Challenges such as an aging infrastructure, escalating costs, fundraising gaps, and the impact of the pandemic were overcome through innovative solutions, including phased timelines, virtual engagement, cost-saving partnerships, and revenue diversification. Despite obstacles, the Liberty Theater Restoration Project demonstrated strategic resourcefulness and creativity in preserving and honoring the theater's heritage while transitioning for the next 100 years as the hub of performing arts in Coos County.